Welcome to Isocrates.App channel, a platform where you learn, measure, and grow. On this video, we will show a quick and simple way to solve the question.
Question: placenta is an endocrine tissue. Justify. So now look into the answer. During pregnancy, the placenta acts as a temporary endocrine gland. It is very clear for us that the placenta is acting as a temporary endocrine gland for a woman during her pregnancy, and also it produces the large quantities of human chorionic gonadotropin, which is called as HCG, and human chorionic somatomamotropin, which is HCS, or human placental lactogen, which is HPL, and also the estrogens and progesterone, which are essential for a normal pregnancy. And the hormone called relaxin, it is secreted during the late phase of pregnancy, which helps in the relaxation of a woman's pelvic ligaments at the time of parturition.